How to use WhatsApp for your job search. A modern guide in 2025. In today's fast-paced job market, relying solely on traditional methods like job boards and company career pages can feel slow. As the world becomes more mobile-centric, so does the job search. And a surprising but powerful tool is gaining traction: WhatsApp. While you might think of WhatsApp as a platform for personal chats, it's quickly becoming a hub for professional networking, real-time job updates, and direct communication with recruiters. Here's how you can leverage this app to your advantage. The power of WhatsApp in the job search. WhatsApp's appeal lies in its immediacy and accessibility. For job seekers and recruiters alike, it offers a more direct and efficient way to connect. Real-time job updates. Unlike email alerts that might get buried, WhatsApp group notifications give you instant updates on new job openings. You can be one of the first to know about a new vacancy and apply before the competition. Direct access to recruiters. Many companies, especially smaller businesses and startups, are using WhatsApp for quick and informal communication. This provides a direct line to hiring managers, making it easier to ask questions, clarify doubts, and even get referrals. Networking opportunities. Job-focused WhatsApp groups are more than just a list of vacancies. They are communities of fellow job seekers and industry professionals. You can connect with people in your field, share insights, and build valuable professional relationships. A simpler application process. Some companies are simplifying their application process to be fully mobile-friendly. You might be able to apply by simply sending your resume via a WhatsApp message, or by interacting with a recruitment chatbot. This eliminates the need for lengthy online forms and can significantly increase application completion rates. How to use WhatsApp effectively for your job search. To make the most of this modern approach, it's crucial to be strategic and professional. 1. Optimize your profile. Treat your WhatsApp profile as a mini resume. Recruiters might check it out, so make sure it presents a professional image. Profile picture. Use a clear, professional photo, similar to the one you'd use on LinkedIn. Status bio. Add a brief, work-appropriate bio that highlights your profession, e.g., marketing professional open to new opportunities. 2. Find and join relevant groups. Don't join every group you find. Be selective to avoid getting overwhelmed by irrelevant notifications. Search smart. Use Google to find groups by typing things like, your industry WhatsApp jobs group, or, your city job vacancies WhatsApp group link. Ask for referrals. Ask friends, colleagues, or people in your network if they are part of any professional or job-related WhatsApp groups they can share. 3. Be professional in all interactions. While WhatsApp is an informal platform, your communication should always be professional. Start strong. When messaging a recruiter, avoid a simple, hi, or, hello. Instead, introduce yourself immediately. State your name, where you got their contact, e.g., from the group name, your qualifications, and your purpose for messaging. Keep it concise. Be polite and to the point. Recruiters are busy, and a clear, brief message is more likely to get a response. Have your resume ready. Keep an updated PDF version of your resume saved on your phone so you can send it immediately when an opportunity arises. 4. Stay safe and avoid scams. The informality of WhatsApp also makes it a target for scammers. Be vigilant and protect yourself. Never pay money. Genuine companies will never ask you for money to process an application or secure a job. Verify everything. Before sharing personal information or attending an interview, do your research. Search for the company's name online and check its official website and LinkedIn page to verify its legitimacy. Be cautious with personal data. Avoid sharing sensitive information like your bank details, passport number, or social security number over WhatsApp, especially in the initial stages of a conversation. The future of job hunting. WhatsApp is not a replacement for traditional job search methods, but it is a powerful complement. By integrating it into your strategy, you can tap into a new world of opportunities, connect directly with decision makers, and stay ahead of the competition. So, go ahead and update your profile, join a few relevant groups, and see how this ubiquitous messaging app can transform your job search. Disclaimer. Please note that we are an independent job search platform. We are not affiliated with, nor do we endorse, WhatsApp or any of the companies or organizations mentioned. The information provided in this blog post is for general guidance and informational purposes only and does not constitute professional career advice. Any job applications and correspondence will be directed to the respective organizations, and any hiring decisions are made solely by them. We encourage all job seekers to conduct their own thorough research and due diligence when applying for positions.